Guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, it's so cold over here. It's raining outside, and can you imagine, I took my clothes out because the rain started, so I took them out, then the rain stopped. So see, I took my clothes again back outside. Right now the rain has started again. I'm not going to remove them. I'll just leave them there up to tomorrow. When they dry up is when I'm going to take them out from. Right now I want to start preparing my supper. It's 6:10 p.m. It's a bit early, but I want to start preparing my supper early so that I get to eat early, because I have my hair in here. I've just braided my hair. I haven't washed it and I will have to go to work tomorrow. Anyways, come with me as I cook my supper right now. So with me here I have these. I bought them in the morning. These are just vegetables, mixed vegetables. There are Kienyeji vegetables, skuma wiki in here, spinach. So I'm just going to make these. Then I'll make with some eggs, and I'll also make with ugali. So that's what I'm going to be taking for supper. Whatever remains, I'll carry tomorrow to work. The leftover, I have this lunch box over here. This is what I use to put my lunch in. And guys, this is an electric lunch box. I just plug it on the socket, then it warms up my. So I'll first start by preparing the vegetables. And guys, it's so cold, but I just have to cut it up. I'll do this and I put them up so that I can wash them, then continue later. Just wash the vegetables that I'm doing. So I find that mixed vegetables super tamu. Like instead of just eating skuma or spinach alone, you mix your vegetables. Can you let me know in the comment section here, like, do you love mixed vegetables? Like mixed Kienyeji, mixed spinach, and mixed skuma? Should that be my way? I'm not gonna do. If it's one vegetable, one thing, it's one. At this style, let me tell you, I got this like from my mom. She's the one who teaches us, like, used to teach us how to cook. So I want to feel like you get this, let me see what she does, how she buys the vegetables, how she makes them at home. And yeah, so that we just learned, and I've grown up like learning this. I really wish I had a fridge, because I could ningekuwa nafanya meal prepping. By the way guys, I'm saving up to buy a fridge, but in the meantime, my dears, if you feel philanthropic, if you feel philanthropic, you want to get me a fridge before nimalize kuchanga for my fridge, hit me up. You can DM me. My Instagram page is somewhere, is it here or here? Somewhere up here, utaipata my Instagram page. Then unaweza ni DM, you do something right, you support a girl or tufanye biashara, you know what I mean. So I just
Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise if you hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'm a ride or die for my dreams on.
So I've finished and I have all of these. These are the vegetables zenye nimetengeneza. So right now I'm just going to wash them. After washing the vegetables, nitawaonyesha how it's being cooked. Normally, like kama unajua kutengeneza the Kienyeji vegetables vizuri, normally it's being boiled first, but I'll show you another method that my mom taught me. Let's wash our vegetables right now, then we put it on the fire. my vegetables, it's time to cut them up into smaller pieces. So I'll just cut them over here. Don't mind my working area ni kadogo. We use what we have. So I'm just going to cut it in mboga. And again, for me, I don't like cutting them into smaller pieces. Like I just cut medium sizes, as you see me doing here. Na bado itakuwa tu sawa. I'm done cutting my vegetables. So this is what I have as at now. So most people, what they do when they have their mixed vegetables, so wanna boil first, I'm going to cut my onions na my nyanya or my tomatoes in the sufuria. Then I'm going to put my mboga in there. Don't mind my eyes. So I'm going to cut my tomatoes and my onions hapo ndani. Then I'm going to put my mboga. Then I'll add a little bit of oil. I'm just searching for the sufuria that I'm going to use to cook. Let me use this sufuria. So acha nichukue my nyanya and my kitungu. They are somewhere down here. My nyanya and kitungu are here. So I'm going to use 1 tomato and 1 onion. I don't know how to use the whole of it, so I'll keep this. Ndio nitatumia kutengeneza the eggs. Then I'll wash my tomato and just cut it in here. You got me, babe, I'm yours to have. After doing that, I'm going to put in my vegetables. I don't mind about the size of the sufuria. The vegetables will shrink by the time they are boiled. So this is like killing 2 birds with 1 stone and saving on time. So I'll just add the water. Just a little bit ndo iboil. So hii ndio kenye nenda kuweka kwa moto. I've already put the veggies kwa cooker. I'm going to detangle my hair right now as it cooks. When the vegetables have already boiled, that's when I'm going to put water ya kupika my ugali, and I'm also going to tengeneza the eggs zenye naenda kupika thereafter. I'll show you all of that. So but as of now, acha tu the mboga boil for some minutes, like 20-25 minutes, 30 minutes there. Then I'm going to come check it out, then start preparing ugali and mayai. Sindio? See you and subscribe to my channel, guys. Akisim, subscribe to my channel. Now, as you've seen, mboga yetu imeiva. Niko hapa ina bonnet, don't mind. So kenye nenda kufanya sahi, I'll just make my eggs and my ugali, then I'll eat supper, continue with my hair. I'll make 4 eggs, 2 for tonight, 2 for tomorrow lunch. Let me put them over here. Then nitaweka maji ya ugali kwa moto. This is my specific sufuria for ugali. Guys, kindly let me know in the comment section if you have a specific sufuria for ugali. My mom always says that you can't mix the sufuria that you use to cook ugali to cook other meals that are cooked using oil. Somehow I've grown up believing that to be true. So naenda tu kuweka maji kwa this sufuria, then I'll put it on the fire. So this is it. I have my water here. So nitaiekelea tu kwa moto. Nitaiekelea kwa moto. So I have that over there. Then I'm going to make my eggs. So I'll beat my eggs in here. The African let anything go. So I have my eggs here. I'm going to put salt. I can put it in my eggs. I never knew that. I've just read it up right now. I'm also going to add my bell pepper. I want to feel that sourness, though I'm not going to put all of it. I cut it here. And I'm thinking, like, I want to do like a kitchen garden, so I'll use these capsicum seeds to grow some capsicum. So yeah, I have, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use on the eggs. So for the eggs, I'm going to add a little bit of water so that it doesn't become isishikane sana. Oops. Then I'm just going to beat it up. Guys, the curry powder smells so nice. I'm loving it. And maji ya ugali ndio hiyo. Let me show it to you. Maji ya ugali ndio hiyo. It's boiling. It's also maji yetu ya ugali imekuwa ready. Right now, tunataka kupika the ugali, and I'm cooking the brown ugali. So, if you don't know how to cook brown ugali, classes ndio hiyo. So ndio hiyo unga yangu. I always go to the posho mill to make my unga. Na maji mnaona ndio hiyo ina popni. How is it called? In Kijalo we say we say maji ina popni. It's bubbling up, yeah. The water is bubbling up. That's when you know like the water imekuwa sawa kupika ugali. So I'm just going to add my flour in there. Well, I really want to enjoy this meal. I'm super hungry. Now I've started cooking my eggs. I'm going to cut the onions in here. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, like I wanna drink you, baby. And my right now, guys, finished everything. I'm even salivating. So the time ya kukula is now. Look at the way I'm so happy. Anyways, let's just eat these. So I have everything in here. I'll just put. Then for my eggs, this is so perfect. So guys, this is my supper. It's super hot and I know the ugali ni mob. I'm super hungry. So this is what I'm going to eat for supper today. Thank you for staying up to here with me. Kindly make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Join us so that we can be having amazing recipes. Like this video and make sure you drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about these videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.